Hello. Hello, hello. Hi. Hello. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Okay. It seems the latency is quite nice this time. There is pretty much no delay. Good, 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 good. So, today we're going to try to make a full attack with animation and all. So let me switch to the other screen. One moment. Okay. So today we are going to be working with the player. I made this mini-me the other stream. So today I'm going to add a bit more animations. So let me first make a new sprite. Okay. Edit. And I want my original sprite open to this place. So this price, I'm going to call it attack for now. Sprite attack. And I have selected the wrong one, it seems. There we go. Sprite garage here. Sprite attack. Right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this layer. Wait, there is no copy. Copy, please. And paste here. Okay, then what about if I select everything? Control C over here. And there we go. So we got this to begin. Yeah. And I'm going to need to make an attack. For that, I'm going to first need a weapon. So let me make one real quick. How do I make a weapon? What about like this? Something like that. Does that work? Maybe not. Maybe something darker. And we remove this one. Okay, we have that. How we start? So first we have this. Can I duplicate? Duplicate. and get rid of this one. So this is the second frame. So what I want is to have the arm be lifted. Like this. And let's see, we need this blue right here. And it's going to be a bit difficult because I'm not an artist. And this, like that. And this thing. I need to delete this over here. And refill it. That's one. And I duplicate this one too. And over here, I make a string. Like this. Okay. And we grab this and made this sword. Like that. And we need to delete the extra. And we need an arch. So how about for now? Just so we can see it, I make something like this. So I start with this and then over here. We remove this. Like that. Something like this. And we make one more duplicate. And duplicate. And move the arm a little bit more. something like this. And this. And this. We remove this. So grab the gold. There you go. And we get this. Well, maybe more like that. So we remove this. Okay. Okay. Something like that. And a bit more over here. And we move the arc. Grab this. And going to finish here. And I need to remove all this, most of it. Thin it out. Also need the feet. I forgot. I don't quite remember how it was. And the arc finished there, so something like this. And think this out. Okay, kinda looks kinda well, not what I was hoping for. So we duplicate again and make this thing smaller. Duplicate again. Please duplicate. Okay. And make it even smaller. Okay. You know what? I think it's a better idea if I have this. Select all of this. And I grab and make another layer. And this layer is going to be like right there. And put this one below. And I just, that way I don't need to worry about the legs, for example. So I can literally just not that. delete this part below here. Without worrying about the shape of the original so much. Just need to fix this one a bit, like this. And then I just complete with this. It's a lot easier. Okay, that looks good, like that. Way better, at least. And I duplicate again, and this layer I just delete more of this, and one more time, and we remove it completely. Let's see. It kinda works, it kinda doesn't. What do you think? Maybe if I duplicate this a bit more, give it a few more frames, like this. Looks a little bit better. Maybe if I grab this again. Okay. And I just need to hide this and delete this. That way, looks a bit better. Maybe I should have made my original design in different layers. But then again, I'm not an artist, so there you go. That looks kinda good, I suppose. Maybe. Not quite. Well, let's leave it at that for now. Let's see. Pause. What's this? Onion masking? Oh, that could have been useful. Well, oh well. So, oh, hello. Okay. Hello. I was just making this animation. It doesn't quite good, look good, but nah, I just was making this ugly thing. It's a nice swing, I would say. So now that I have this, I just need to add it to my. Let me remove this to my game. So we have our player object, and I need to. Let me think. I think I'm going to need states. So let's make an enum. Enum state. And we're going to have idle, and black for now. What? I don't like put it in all caps. Okay, so we have that, and we're going to need a variable state. State dot idle. Hmm. Yeah, maybe moving, but we don't have a moving animation yet. Maybe I should have started with that, shouldn't I? Oh. Okay, let's put a moving state also. So we have that, and now that we have the state, I need to get the key. P, 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 attack, keyboard, check, keyboard down, BK, what do we use? Space, okay. Wait, did I mistake my keyboard? Check. Keyboard. Keyboard press, I believe. Yes, keyboard press. Okay, we have those. And if let me think for a moment. Switch. Let's check the state. Switch. State. Case. Status. State. dot idle break base state dot moving break base state dot attack break. I'm not sure because in the original Zelda you cannot move and attack at the same time. So whenever you attack, you are forced to stand in the same place. So, and if I let you move while attacking, I will need to make a run and attack animation, and that sounds a bit difficult for me right now. So let's keep it simple for now. Okay, so in the state of attack, we're going to need to check first. Let's plant the player in the spot. Horizontal speed 0. Vertical speed 0. Then I believe it's called sprite. Let's go index. I believe this is the one. Menu. Let me see menu. Okay, let me make the menu over here. Okay, so we have the menu and we are asking for a sprite index. Sprite index. Okay, so we can't use this to check to change the sprite. Okay, so let me hide the manual and sprite index. We want sprite attack. And let me see what that looks like. Can I? It seems to be doing nothing. Oh, maybe I never actually changed the. Okay, I don't know what happened there. My key got stuck, seems. I need to check for the let me move this over here. like that, and we put this as a attack. I think the issue is I never changed it to attack in the first place, so it will be placed here in an if here if he attack. State equals state dot attack. That's the issue. I believe I never actually made this check. So let's see. Doesn't seem to be working. Why? Why? State attack. Attack. I did say, right? What's wrong? Maybe this is the issue. Manual. Oh, my bad. I want to do that. Come back. Okay. Okay. Keep praise. Oh, you simulate the input. You don't actually detect it. So, okay, for score. Let's see. Check crave press. I believe this is the one. Yeah, I think this is the one. Hi, menu. This is this. There we go. Now we are attacking non-stop. I used keyboard check, not check the press. That's the difference. Also, I think at the end of the animation, go back to the idle. Let's see. I believe there was animation right here, so I can check if state is state dot attack. Missing an equals. Then we can change to state dot idle. That means when I attack and the animation ends, it doesn't end. What happened there? Come on. What happened there? What's wrong here? Mm, it does do this. And this changes to attack. Oh, maybe this stays as true. Maybe I should just use the basic one. Let me check. Like that. No. Let me check the menu. Menu. Uh-huh. No. This is the correct one, I believe. So, 1 second. Let me hide this and go over here. Let's see. What am I doing wrong here? Okay. This is triggering. I know that. The thing that is not triggering is this. Let's see. There is something to check the state of that. Look. Debugging, reporting, debug mode. Okay, let's see. Review variables locals. Where is debug mode? Right here. Yeah. Let's see. So if I do this, pause. Let me see. Play X, Y, variable, self, keep name, key attack is on 0. Key down, state is on 0. Step. So we have movement. Oh, that's a good point. The sprite. Yeah. The sprite. Animation and sprite. Where is the sprite? What was the name of the thing? This thing. Here. Sprite. Sprite. What was it called? Player. Player. Like that. Yep, that was the issue. Now it works. Quite nice, actually. That's nice. Maybe we could make it a bit bigger. Uh, let's see. Can I make this bigger? We go to the attack. Make it bigger. How do I do that? Physics, so same as sprite. Where do I change the size? And it's sprite. Resize sprite. Okay. Let's see. Let's double this. Scale image? No. Resize canvas. Oh. I want yeah, that's why I want to make it bigger, like that. Today there's a lot of noise on my end. That's the player. Now I want to resize the attack. Resize. Size canvas 64. Like that. Sprite attack. That way I can grab this and right here make this way bigger. Something like that. And we can erase this. Like this, something closer, maybe sharp, like that. Start not so far up. Actually, I think let's see first how it looks. Let me fill this first. With this. Okay, like that, but I want a bit more curve here. And over here too. And I want to grab this, copy, and we go over here to the other layer, we just align it. And we just hide this and remove the arm. Like that. And we need to fill up this thing. Okay, like that. And we move to the next one. And I want to do the same. Actually, I can delete this and duplicate. There we go. Then we go to this, and I want to place this underneath. Oh, you already have it. Okay, my bad. And we just make the arc even bigger, like that. We can delete this. Right? I'm on the wrong layer. The arc, like that, and reveal. I think that looks better. Let me delete this frame and add a new one. And over here. Oh, hello. Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. We are here. I can delete this frame and add another one. And here I think this up. Not like that, like this. Like that. And now I duplicate this and delete this and think this up even more. Like that. Let's see. That looks very good. I think it looks good. What do you think? Good? Not good? Maybe? Maybe not? Let's see. How does that look in the game? Looks good. Pretty good. Fairly smooth. Okay, so now we need to add some code. For the player first. We have the animation end. Let's see. We need first to check if we hit something. So let me see. We need check for collisions. So let's see. This what collision has? Can I see it, please? Same as sprite, but what's the collision? Where do I see it? Arc. I should have used this one. Just fit, center, target grid, alpha snap. What is the collision? Physics, sensor, current events, collision, maybe here. I was sure it was here. This physics persistent was not here. Where was it? Let me check the menu. Menu, please. Menu. Okay. Menu. Collision. Collision. Please. Collision points, collision list, collision ellipsis, rectangle, please. Rectangle, matter, collisions in general. Place meeting with an array. Tile maps. Collision circle, bounding boxes. Empty meeting, check, destroy. Reject, break, not me. Lives without a mask. Okay, it seems this is the collision box. So automatic, that looks good. Actually, that looks nice. let's keep it that. And we need one for this collision mask. Automatic rectangle per frame. Okay, like that. Okay, let's check with that. Now that we have that, I need map start. We need an enemy just to check. And some code. Oh wait, the manual. My bad, I'm sorry. Basically I found the collisions here. You can change it here like this, the type of collision. So this one looks like it adapts according to the frame, like this. And for example, the player sprite, I made it so it is a tango around it. Maybe it's a bit too big. Maybe I should make it smaller, like this. Maybe like that. Yeah, so it's a bit more yeah, I'll watch my hair. So it makes sense for the player at least. So okay, we got that. And we were over here. And I want to make this middle center too. And I need code. So player, we're here, and we need to first check for hit. Let's see, let me check the manual. Manual, we're looking for, let's see, maybe this one. Position collision con lag influences on an object or tile map. Okay. Add list. Okay. Okay, so we say x, y, x, y, the kind of object, the list to store, and whether or not I want the sorted by distance, it seems. So is this? Okay, so this is where it stores it. So does it have a return? Okay, the number of hits, it seems. I believe the enemy already has a hitbox. It creates it by default. What is it? Enemy? Here? Yeah, it's a bit big, so let me make it smaller like that and fix that. Oh, okay, so let me first place the code before I forget what I'm doing. So, player, what we want to do is check for re-attack, right? So then we need to check for hits. For hits is equal to this. The object we're checking is enemy. The list. Let me check how to make a list. This list. Huh? This list create. Okay. This. I forget to show the manual. And we need a list, so get list this. So hit list right here, order, we don't need it, false. And that's our hit on the enemy. So now that we have our hit, we need to check if we hit anything. And then we need let's see, we are going to need HP actually, so 1 second. We need to go to the enemy and at the event and create HP, let's say 2. Okay, and how do I destroy an object again? Let me see, menu, menu, okay. Destroy object, please. Destroy instance. But how do I destroy? Destroy instance. Destroy. Recommend data type 5 frames per second. Destroy, please. No. I want to destroy an object on runtime. What is it? Maybe somewhere. Okay, this seems the thing I was looking for. Am I correct? This is what I want right there. Close menu. And we need step. we check that. And from the player, to hit boxes for the player. You mean one for the attack and one for the player itself? Probably. Let me think a bit through that. How do I affect other objects? Manual. Access instance. Collisions. Object row close. Place meeting. Instance place. Not that. This thing. Instance construct all object and wait expression. This good for you. For the explanation, you can one more instance and perform code or using an instance ID. Okay, so I need read object for. Oh, okay. So this, if I write object enemy, for example, it will affect all enemies. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I need a specific ID. And if I remember correctly, hit place list, the one we are using to detect hits, stores, where is it? Oh, here. Stores the list of IDs there, so I need to check the list. Okay. Check the list. How do I check the list? This list, please. This list containing accessor already data. Instance string physics. Instance place, write, exist. Let's copy. Place, let's set. Let's sort. Right now. This list. Add list. Find first. Find next. Almost, but not quite. This map. Are we seeing this map? This list. This list. Create destroy itself. We could check that first. Let me hide this. So if it hits, we simply say what was they want to destroy? Oh, right. Read this object enemy Dance underscore is destroy. Like that, I believe. So if I go and play, we got this. It kinda worked. It kinda didn't. Let me redo that. Okay, so if oh, that's not good. Why did it self-destroy there? Maybe because this code should be not here, but in here, like that. Let's see, like this, and we okay. So if I attack, pop. Okay, it kinda works. It kinda doesn't. Pop, pop, pop. It looks very goofy. Poof, poof, and kills all. I need to check what IDs. Okay. We could pass the. No. How do I do this? Let's see. How do I access this menu? Let's see. How do I access a list? Apart from the expression color for access. Okay, so list index. Should always be destroyed. Okay. So I probably should be doing at the end of the animation, probably. Animation end. We destroy. Where are you? At least right here. You need to die right there. And I forgot to remove the manual again. What I did, I just set this to destroy at the end of the animation. Back to menu. Okay. This is basically saying this is the way to access the list. It seems something like this one. ID value. My player 1 in this index. ID is our list value to find. Okay. Find index. Is that what I want? Find index. A value in the position. Okay, so turn number, position display. Okay, this will tell me if something is in the list. Yeah, maybe it's value here. Maybe the list position variable 0. The size. Okay, I think this is the one. Okay, so I just say something like, let me hide the manual first. So we do it like this. If we had hits, we check for I equals to 0, I minor to something, I don't know what yet, E++, and we're going to do this. Mark enemy ID is going to be this. Hit me from this list, index I, and this is the enemy ID. Okay, since we have the enemy ID, then we check for enemy and we destroy it like that, I believe. So now if I wait, I forgot this thing. How do I get this size? Oh, well, I don't need the list size. I can just hit right there, like that. Yeah. So if I go over here and I tag 1, oof, it crashed. Okay, crash. Let me check what the hell happened. Let's see. Okay, maybe rather than all the way over here, we destroy the list right here, like that. So now when I go over here and poof, no crash, okay, perfect, and poof, and poof, and poof, poof, and poof, poof. Okay, I can hit them with my head like this. Poof. Okay, I'm going to need 2 hitboxes after all. Lovely. Yeah, I'm going to need 2 hitboxes. I got stuck. Okay, so let's see. 2 hitboxes. How do I do that? Maybe since this is a single frame, I could change the hitbox of the player to only be the attack, check for hit, return to the hitbox of the player normally at the end of the frame. That could work. So I would need to have 2 of this. No, like this hitbox. And what I'm going to do is remove this, all this, kill this, remove all this, that's remove something bigger. There we go. And we go over here, remove this, over here we kill this, like this, these two, yeah, basically a separate sprite for the attack. So we have this, and when we go over here, and this is the sprite, I need the cooling mask. And for example, here it's automatic per frame. Okay, like that. Okay, I think that's good. And how do I? Let me check. Manual. How do I check the hitbox? What is called inside over here? What is it called? Collision mask. Okay, let's search for a collision mask. Collision mask. Collision mask. What about mask? Repeat mask, grid mask, by style map, collisions. Is in here maybe? Collision mask. Collision mask. No. Physics overlap. Mask. Where is the mask? Matchmaking. Bitmap, clipping mask. Not what I want. Create max. Did I write it? Mask? Maybe no, I wrote it wrong. Mask. Set mask. Where is this? Okay, okay, almost, but not quite. Okay, mask index. Spray index. Okay, so spray asset, and I can set it so I can. Let's see, find the menu and go to player and I set the mask first, I believe. Where will be this mask index? Stack like that. We check for collision, and at the end we return to sprite player like that. So save, play, and now if I attack from below, let me check again. Like this, no longer kills the enemy. Okay, so this no longer hits the enemy. Maybe even I can do this, like this. And if I do this, now it hits. Nice. Yeah, if I get a bit too close, the tip over here actually it's the enemies over here, the very tip over there. Yeah, maybe I actually made the attack very open of sorts, like that. Now, what I want to do is implement a HP for the enemies. So, let's see, manual. Let's see, manual. Let's see, I want HP, please. Get forces. Draw helper. Oh, it could be useful. That might be nice. Draw helper. There is actually a draw helper function. That's interesting. Continue. Local variables quit, declare. Take name, invulnerable, continue, minus 25. Object enemy, parent. Object 4. Destroy speed. Yeah, it kinda reminds me to write the soda. That's good marketing. Let's see, HP HP. How do we implement HP? HP. Okay, so we over here. I forgot to remove the game. Here we are affecting the enemy, right? So we could just say HP equals HP minus 1, like that, probably. So we grab this, go to the enemy, and we're already checking here HP 0. So let's check. So we do 1. Oh, what happened there? Let me see. What about if I set HP to 1000? I have a theory, a game theory. Poof, 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 poof. Not really. That's interesting. Not dying. Not dying. Maybe the HP was too much. Let's put 100. Okay. Let's see. Come on. There we go. So, what I think is happening is that, let's say the enemy has 5 HP, right? So, the sprite for attack, if you see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames that do damage, and over here on the player step it's run each frame, so maybe it's hitting the enemy 6 times each frame. That's my theory. So if I set the enemy's HP to 5 or 6 and I play and I hit, immediately dies, right? But if I set it to 7 and replay, here, oh, was I wrong? Let's put 10 maybe. Is it because it's running 50 frames, 60 frames per second, maybe? Well, whatever it is doing many times the damage I want. So it's hitting multiple times. So I need to check if I already hit this enemy before. So that would be manual. I need to make what I do here. I need, if this list is destroyed each frame, I need another list. So I make one here. I'll already hit list. And this one, I do need to destroy it. I believe there is a cleanup function. Cleanup. Views, no. Patch, KO, collision, click, rotate, asynchronous, draw, cleanup, right? Cleanup. Destroy this list on cleanup. Okay. And on the actual this thing, when I hit, I need to add, let's see, manual. We need from this, I need the list and not this. This list, but I need the list of functions, please. But let's do this here. I want you to the functions, please. Right, read, replace, insert, delete, sort. To have add right there. Add list and value. Okay, so I drop this and right manual, and over here we need to add to this list this enemy, and I need to check if this enemy is on the list. So I believe manual there was find value, find index. This is the one I want. I'm trying to find an ID, height, and over here we check if in the already list exists an enemy ID like that. Will that work? If it's not there, so manual. This returns what when it's not there? -1. Okay, so let's go back. So if ID, if this equals -1, then we do this like that. If it's not in the list, we hit it and added it to the list. And on animation, and I want to clear the list. So I know. Clear the list right here. Just like that. Okay, so go back. And animation end. We clear this list right here. Can I make this bigger? Maximize somewhat right here. Oh, there we go. This is better. Can I make this bigger? Hello? How do I make this bigger? Okay, I don't know how to make this bigger. I'm going to investigate that later. Well, whatever. We got this, so play. That should work. Question mark. So, like, crash. Not set. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Okay, so not set. Step create. We are creating the list here, and on step we are using it. Reset and clean up with destroyed. Let me see, what was that? Crash again. Where you click or enemy are relating hit place in a set before reading. Object not set before reading. What is not set? Enemy is not set, maybe. It is set. Enemy, an enemy. What am I doing? Let's see, what am I doing wrong? Already his list ID. What am I doing wrong? Oh, okay. This code right here, everything between these two is happening within the enemy. So there is no already hit list on the enemy. So this should be outside like that. So we do this. And I'm hitting for 1, and the enemy over here has 2 HP. So if I place a 3, it should now die on 3 hits. 1, 2, 3. There we go. That one was a tricky one. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, up, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now I need an indicator for the enemy to know if we are actually hitting. So let's see. Manual. I believe I saw somewhere there was this thing called flash, right? Flash particle? No, flash. I remember seeing something called flash. No, flash. Is there no object property called flash? Really? Create color. Really? I remember it was called flash. HP difference? What do you mean? HP difference? To do what? The flash, you mean? Say flash? 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 Really? There's no flash? I thought there was a flash. Maybe I misremember? I don't quite remember. Detecta kahi. Can I change sprite color? Right. Manipulation, collision, text, replace, duplicate, create surface, save, strip, perfect, push. Set alpha. Okay, I'm not sure how to do this. Maybe I could just change the color. Let's see. To detect the heat, you mean? Okay, that could work because this is running in each frame. Let's see. Maybe I just need a state here too. And no state. Well, maybe not here. Here. Over here, we have this stack, and we have a hit state. I believe I can use states like here, over here. If hit state was to state hit, and we do a key here, the match, and then here. and we need a state overflow. State dot idle. I believe that works. So I can, for example, grab this sprite, this one, duplicate it, let's call it enemy underscore hit, and open. And what we're going to do is, I believe there is a can I invert it? Mirror brush, I want paint rectangle. Well, I can just do this. This, let's make orange. This is going to be blue. And this is going to be red. Like that. And I'm going to duplicate these frames. Maybe not so many. A few less. And on the enemy, right here, we do what we did on the player. This. Enemy, please. Right here, we change for hit. And on animation and where are you? Animation end, we go back to sprite enemy, and it's here. It says sprite and hit like that, and we can have this. I'm missing an equals. We go to player and we say, hey, you were hit, like that. And then poof, and it did nothing. Huh? Why? And hit. Maybe it's too fast. We need more frames. No. What am I doing wrong? Mask index, that's the error. Player, player object, not mask, sprite index. Enemy, that, like this, and poof. Okay, did I not? Maybe it's the same mistake, probably. Like that. Oof. Nope. It's because I never reverted the state. Yeah. State dot idle, please. Like that. And let's see. And oof. Okay. That's nice. Oof, oof, oof. Maybe I need bit less frames over here. Let's remove a few. And let's check. And oof, oof, that looks much better. Oof. And oof, 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 oof. Okay, that's nice. That's good. It's working. It's working. Quite nice, actually. It does match the attack animation. Let me do a little test. So, map 0, and we grab the enemy, and let's place a few, and we do this. And I stand right here. Double click. That's nice. Yeah. That's a nice coincidence. Yeah. Quite nice. Quite nice. Water. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Quite nice. It respawn. They do spawn, it seems. Oof, 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 oof. Okay, that's quite nice. Shall we do a death animation? A death animation. So I think I need a folder. Folder freeze. Folder create group. Okay. So this will be player. And I want this in here. And this two in here. And we want group enemy name me. And we want this and this. And now we need another one. The group, the rain, and this going here. And I want duplicate this and and that. And if we check it out, edit image. Okay, so we start here, and I want to make something like we make a little cloud. Something like this. And we move one. And let me duplicate this one and kill one. And this, but I want a bit here on the center. And like this on the outside. And okay, maybe more like a cloud. Like this, and a bit more gray. And a bit more white. Yes, a little poof. Just a little poof. And duplicate this and kill one. And we need this to be bigger. Something like that. And we need a bit of gray on the edges, like this. Just a little bit. And something a bit clearer over here, just to make it a bit nicer. And a bit of white. And I need there, right in the center. And we duplicate this and kill one. And I make one bigger. Like that. And we add more gray. Like that. And a little more over here. On the edge. We make this little less dark. A bit more of this. Like this. Okay. Like that. And this, duplicate, kill one. And this one, instead, I'm going to delete this. And remove the exterior one. Okay. And add a bit of an edge. This, like that. Okay, and we duplicate this and keep that, and we delete this there again. We remove this. Okay, and let me put some edges like this. Maybe let's build this one right here. We make the edges like this. And remove the corners because I don't like how that looks. And like this. And we duplicate and remove the rest. Okay, and we add the color. Remove edges. Okay, how about that? And we need to go to the enemy object right here. Okay, what I'm going to do is we check here and change state to state that I didn't make that state. Create a state attack with attack. That's enemy object state. And on state that we go to the sprite enemy that, and if we are in this state, the animation ends, we just kill the enemy. So right here, and we check for this first, and very good, I think. Swap the last 2 frames. Let me check. Enemy dead. Hit. Swap. Oh, yeah, you're right. Like that. My mistake. And poof, 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 poof. It looks goofy. Doesn't look bad, but looks funny. it's no longer showing the hit animation. Let me check that. Enemy object. What happened here? In order, well, oh, probably this. There. Poof, 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 poof. Yeah, it looks a bit wrong. So, yeah, something's off about that animation. Definitely. Definitely something's wrong there. I think I know what's wrong. But fixing it a bit annoying. Edit. So when we are here, instead of doing this, I need to do, let me delete this. Duplicate. Do this. I need to start clearing the smoke like this. And we duplicate that, and we clear a bit more of the smoke. And we duplicate that, and this time I make this more white. Okay, more white, and we delete more over here. Like that, and I also need to remove the horns over here and here. And one more frame, and here we remove pretty much everything. Of this. And we need to make this black a lot lighter. This black ups. This black a lot. And this also need to be bright. Like that. So then it looks like this. That looks a bit better. Maybe fade away, but I kinda like it looks better, that's for sure. it looks better for sure. Yep, much better. Okay. That look really good. The response is quite nice so far. It feels good to play. This is actually responsive in general. Huh? Much better. This is nice, actually. Okay, we have movement, map, what is it? Exploration, enemies, and attack. Now we need to be able to take damage, and we need to make the enemy attack. But this is good progress, I think. What are you thinking? What do you think? It's nice, I believe. We just need for direction or movement and attack and enemy. Well, we're still missing pretty much everything about the enemy. But it's pretty good. Also, one thing I wanted to do is we have these maps. Let me close this. We have these maps: 7 and 1, 8, 8, 1, 9, and 9, and 8, 1. So we have basically a world shaped like this. Yeah, I need animation for either movement, movement in all 8 directions, and attack for 8 directions. So, like I was saying, we have a world shaped like this, where this is the spawn right here, and I wanted it, 24 in total. I wanted to release a little prototype for Patreon, so I'm going to enclose this area so you cannot leave these 8 maps. So I'm going to do this. Map 7, I'm going to block off map 7 like this, and we're blocked under, so over here too. I'm going to block this, hold on, like that, and over here. Map 8 is okay. Map is 1 needs to be blocked on top, right here, and 8, 1, 9, 0 needs a block over here, and 9, 1 needs a block right here and over here, and I need to move this guy out of the way. Like that. Let's see. Can I make a build? Wrong link, graphics, clean audio, file new. How do I export? Build, create executable right here. What's the difference there? Let me check the menu. This is called what? Package. Creating format, generic build, compiling. Maybe. Let's see. Dollar. I don't know what's the difference. Let me check. Game maker or zip difference. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, zip is prepared. Okay. So it's more I think about preference. There is a guy stuck on the wall after transition. Oh yeah, there was that issue before. Let me first check that. So where was it? So I'm here, and there is no issue here. Over here, there is no issue. Over here, there is an issue right here. So 7.1 and 8.1. So we have this. I can pick this up, copy, and go over here. And first, let me remove this, replace this, and move over here. Okay, that's one. So that way here no longer gets stuck. What about over here? No issue. Over here, no issue. Yeah. And over here, no issue. Okay. Very good. So I believe they said I can use the executable and the zip or installer. Let's make both. So let's see. Project one zip. Let's place it. Desktop. Yeah. Zip. Okay. We got that. And now I want up the installer. Stop. There we go. Let's see. Now I have those. Can I just run this? Okay. There we go. This is the the executable. So this is no longer the completed one from the editor. Okay. So also I think I should change the name of the game preference. General settings, background compiling. Where do I change the name? Right. Under sequences. Let me check the manual. Manual. Game name. Where do I game options? General. Frames per second. Image. Auto. This is important. Where do I change the name? Come on. Not here. Background sequence. What's space? Output. Nope. Got to display the version background. Confirm the book display. Got to help. Input. Queries. What do I change the name? Okay. Game maker change the name, please. Option platform settings. Oh, yeah. What was it? Game options, Windows General. Windows. Game options. Game options. Windows. Where is it? Output? No. Where is it? Game options. Windows. Where is it? game options. Options, platform settings. Options. I don't see options though. Platform settings. Okay, there we go. Windows. What was it again? General project information. Oh, okay. Not here. Here. Right here. Template info. This is the icon. Windows. There we go. Right here. Project set 1 is the name I choose. Version, I'm going to say this is version 0.01. Company mirror Verthandy. For the second, for now that, and it's mine. In maker. Not that. Second prototype. Prototype. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. The icon. What do I use for the icon? What about my icon? Like here. It has to be a dot icon. Well, I'll change it later. Installer. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, that's good. Very good. Let me delete the ones I made. This thing and this thing, and let me make another build. Installer. Yeah, I just need to convert it to the different format, to the icon format, because right now it won't let me use it. So what do I call this? Let's call it things. And inside we call project set 1, and inside we call a prototype, and we save it here. Yeah, in fact, is based on the Rose of Winds, I believe it's called. The one you see on maps and on compass. That one. The Cardinal Rose of Winds, I believe it's called. Another build, the zip version. There we go. And let me change this to prototype. I want to add a version. We said this one's version. Wait, back off. This version. So it's 0.0.01. Okay, there we go. Place this here. Very good. Yay. Okay, that's nice. What else? Now that I have that, I will upload it later to my Patreon as the first prototype for this game. So let me close all this. Next, let's see. Let me open. Let me open up. Let's call it this project set 1 to do list. So I open this and let me show it on stream. Oops. There we go. So for this stream, we got attack functioning. We need to do later. We need directional movement animations. We need a directional, attack animations, and we need enemy AI, enemy directional animations. We need the enemy attacks. What else? We need idle animation. Idle animation. Player idle animation. And this is also for the player. Okay. Okay, that's nice. What else? More enemies. Yeah. How many enemies did we say we needed? Was it here? Where did I put that? Here? No. Come on. Where did I put that? I remember it was over here. Okay, so we have this. Okay, I have this. Let me open one more. Plus, when you capture the block like this, okay. Not that, this one. Yay. And you come over here. Not so small like that. And you need to come over here. Below this spot right here, and you do. Okay, so oh yeah, also player damage. More enemies. Let's see. And from the other stuff we need to do, we are almost over here. We got the base. This also okay. This we need to work. Terrain spike. Terrain strike. That's also something I need to do. Drops is also an important feature. Drops. Enemies, we have quite a lot. We need the dungeons. And the bosses. Yeah. Probably first all this, and after that the rain, and then your boss. Huh. Okay. So what else? Player. Okay. Enemies has to do with this one right here. Important. Like that. To make the things make sense. Oh yeah, that's also very important. After this, we need a user interface. Okay. Okay, this goes here. Yeah, the dungeon items also. That's going to be a challenge on their own. the dungeon items. That's okay. The dungeon item. That's going to be an issue. Dungeon. Let's call it dungeon relic. Okay. Yeah. What else? What else? Arrow system. This is going to be part of the drop system. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm going to, at the very least, make the bombs dungeon item instead of something you can just find lying around. I don't know what items to make. So we have the bombs, obviously. I want bow and arrow for sure. What else? And in the end, I never figured out what the magic croissant. The magic croissant. How do you write croissant? Did that magic croissant? What else? Croissant. Like that. Well, at least we have 3. What else could we make? Croissant. I don't even know what this thing did at all. We had the ladder, but I don't really like the ladder. It feels a bit finicky. Yeah, we don't need to think these ones yet. But what I'm sure of is that I want at the very least 9 of them. One per dungeon. So from dungeons, we are going to have 9 dungeons or so. At least. That means we need 9 bosses. Like that. 3, 6, 3, 6, I'm missing 1. Oh, yeah. I should include a mirror. Yes. But my mirror is a bit special. So I don't know if it will qualify. Maybe as a boss, not as an item. Something like a mirror that spawns something like a dark link. I'm going to need to think this through. Pumps, arrow, magic, croissant. I also want to make it so you can do any of the first 3 magnet. Magnet could be an option. Magnet. I want the first 3 to be beatable in any order. And the next 3 also in order. And the next 3 also in any order. I just want to, for example, make it so you need to beat these 3 to be able to face the next 3 and such. What else? We had the drops, pumps, terrain. Terrain is going to be important. Any variety also. This list, I believe, is not complete, so I'm going to look online the list of enemies of the first Zelda, and I'm going to match the numbers at least. Okay. I think this is a nice to-do list. For that, I need to figure out if I want to make the game about me, because right now I was just using myself as a placeholder. So if this game is about me, then I need to review my lore maybe set it as a prequel to make it more interesting. Yeah, because yeah, it's obvious because I did make myself uh, the a bit like the main character right here. So yeah, it's it happens. I could make it uh, so my games are about my lore. That would be interesting. Very. That would be actually a nice idea. I could expand upon my character like that. That would be nice, actually. The more I think about it, the more I like the idea. Okay. Okay. That I think that would be a good amount of stuff for now. Yeah. And well, I'm not. Well, the point is that I want to make my own game and publish it. So might as well add it to my lore. But that means I need to uh, think about my lore about a lot more deeply. Yeah. So I think this is a nice nice list for now. We will be taking things off from here. So for player damage, I need the UI. So we're now currently on only version 0.01. Let's call this no something. This will be two. Let's call this 0.3. This is going to be a bit harder to decide. Okay. This we don't know yet. Okay. That looks good. Point 3. And let's call each of these dungeons. For example, this is point 1. And let's call 3.2. And this 0.3. And 0.4. And 5. 5 and 6. Maybe not let's make it. Hmm. Further than that, let's make this. So when I finish each dungeon, that means I about to get to version 1.1. So this is 0. Like this. Like that. And version 1.1 will be the full dungeons. And we could call these ones, I don't know, maybe I will decide that later. But that looks good. Yeah, that sounds nice. Nice. What do you call it? Road map. Yeah, road map. Yep. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it at this for now. Next time I will work on probably these animations. So we have the complete player. And then we work on the interface, and then we define the enemies. The drops, probably I could... Actually, I think I can put this over here. We can make it get the 0.4. This doesn't sound so difficult, at least. Okay, so I'm going to stop here for now. It's okay. I think it's a nice stopping point. So I think I will not stream tomorrow to do a bit more research. And since I feel like I have been like sometimes not really planning stuff, I'm going to make a streaming schedule. So now that I know kinda how much time I have each day for streaming, so I'm going to be doing a schedule and probably publishing it on Monday. And so I'm not like kinda improvising each stream. As comical as it has been. So okay, so I'm going to close this and let's return to my room. Oh, and I need to go over here. So that's the roadmap, and I will be making a schedule. So I'm not like doing everything point blank. Okay. I'll leave it there. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you on Monday. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. And screen, where are you? I need to make a button for the end screen here. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. 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 Bye bye.